flag warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening for low relative humidity and strong winds for northern Illinois and northwest Indiana. A red flag warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Affected area, all of north central and northeast Illinois along with northwest Indiana. Winds, southwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. Timing, late morning through late this afternoon. Relative humidity, 20 to 25%. Impacts, conditions will be favorable for the rapid growth of wildfires. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures will create explosion fire growth potential.